Welcome back to our channel. Today we're at Fort Stevens, Oregon, which is on the mouth of the Columbia River. Fort Stevens was a military installation from the Civil War clear up to World War II with artillery batteries from the Civil War era and also from World War II. And it was a military command center during World War II. And it protected the mouth of the Columbia. Currently it's a 4,300 acre state park in Oregon State, and it has camping facilities, hiking, beachcombing. It has a private lake. It also is the northern trailhead for the Olympic Coast Trail. That artillery battery right there was built just after the Spanish-American War, which is about 1898, and it was used up until 1943 during World War II. This other one to the left was built in 1898. World War II battery is up there in the back. I'll send him a hardcover as a gift and hope to take it into. And you got the restrooms here conveniently. Here's a close-up of one of the artillery batteries. I'm gonna climb up this ladder and see what kind of view the spotters would have from up there. Boy, what a view of the mouth of the Columbia from here. We're going to go down the stairs below the this level for the artillery batteries.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my hardcover as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side.
see these tracks?
Yeah, what is it?
So they could haul the ammunition. Pretty heavy stuff.
That must be another one of those.
Yeah, they could talk. Communication tubes. But those are heavy.
Did the men have to carry them?
Yeah, at least different places. I mean, you can see these tracks end right here as you go out. So this is probably, there's probably some more tracks in here, yeah.
Over the hills and far from home, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Thank you for your service.
Yeah, thank you for your service. Certainly appreciate it.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
So this is an artillery battery that was built in 1898. Said it had 6 10-inch guns. The guns were taken out in the First World War and shipped to France and used for defenses over in France. And then this was used as a command center after that.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
This is the top of the battery that was built in 1898. Right now we're on top of the battery looking down, the one that was built in 1898. This is a World War II bunker here. I bet they would have been happy to have that little outhouse back in the wartime. It's like a whole underground facility here.
I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
So the sign said this is a Navy gun that's replaced the original 10-inch gun that shot a 105-pound shell up to 15 miles.
She's waiting for love to be realized.
Up on top of the gun battery.